So, is the AOC 4K webcam actually worth your money, or are you about to get scammed? I dove into expert opinions and real user reviews so you don't have to. Here's the real deal. First up, yes, the AOC 4K webcam is legit. It's not some fly-by-night scam. It actually does what it says, delivers true 4K video at 30 frames per second. That means your Zoom calls and Teams meetings? Super crisp, super clear. And thanks to the 90-degree lens, you can fit your whole team, or that messy living room, into the frame. Plug-and-play setup? Absolutely. I plugged it in and it worked with everything. Zoom, Skype, Teams, you name it. Plus, there's a physical privacy cover, which is a small but mighty win for anyone worried about webcam paranoia. Now let's talk about where it falls short. The automatic light correction is fine. But if you're in a dark room, don't expect miracles. You might need to add some lighting to avoid looking like a pixelated potato. The built-in mic is decent for quiet home offices, but if you're after pro-level audio, you'll want an external mic. And while the autofocus works, it's not as snappy as, say, a high-end Logitech or a DSLR setup. Some users also reported weird compatibility quirks with really specific software, but for most mainstream platforms, it just works. Bottom line, if you want solid 4K video calls without breaking the bank, the AOC 4K webcam is a great choice. If you're making YouTube videos or streaming professionally, you'll probably want to look higher up the food chain. For business meetings and casual streams, it's got you covered. So, is it worth it? For the price and features, absolutely.